Now the problem I was having was getting off the motorcycle lift. Watch as I try to plant my feet. Now we get to fix the problem.
The cool thing about the condo as well is that once the bike is in, if you've seen these, it locks in.
So folks, this is the box that the extensions came in. This may help someone figure out how much real estate they need. It's a 2-man lift and what it takes to install it. Go ahead and enjoy it. Hopefully you leave me a like. Thanks again.
Set of screws and a set of 3 beams, one longer beam. Well, so far I got it broken down. Let's see what it takes to put the extensions together, okay? There's no instructions, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. It must be pretty simple. So the extensions came without any instructions from, I don't know, TUXEDO, I would think. But take a look at how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna put it up to the screen so you can see exactly how it goes. All right, the long tube goes first in the front end of the lift. Okay, with these little, I don't know why I can't think of this thing, with these lock pins. Thank you. On the outside of each side, the shorter ones go on the back end. Okay, with the lock pin being on the outside of each end. Okay, I was wondering what the screws were for. The screws are for attaching the middle ramp to the outside ramps. They go from the inside, head in, and to the inside. Pretty simple once you have something to look at, but there's no instructions. I guess the idea is for you to get to the website and figure that out. So that's a parts listing that comes with it, and that's how it goes. It's that simple. Take a screenshot if you have one, or go to the website itself, manualslive.com, for the TUXEDO M1000C, and you're set. And I'll show you a little bit of how I put it together. Excuse me, I'm sweating, out of breath. So give me a second and we'll put this thing back together. Press the camera for me, please. Now that I have a place to put my foot, it shouldn't be an issue to push off the motorcycle. Certainly push off to get off this thing. So, I think money well spent. Safer. I don't have to worry about dropping my bike off. This is the current measurement. This was the old measurement. This is what it looks like with everything installed. Okay. Very nice. Real estate is still minimal.
Folks, thank you for stopping by. I hope this helps someone or someone you know.
This is the front end.
Please feel free to share this with anyone that you think might need it. Thanks again.